Hi mga loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here again. We are here at my kitchen at sinipag na magluto, and I was craving for egg rolls, and I just thought to myself that I would love to share it to you. And this is a once a popular dish in the Philippines. It's also a Chinese dish, I believe so, and it comes in a variety of choices. Like you can use beef, ground beef, you can use ground pork, and you can also use ground chicken. Personally, my preference is beef, and I know it's a little greasy, but that's what I like the most. Second is chicken, but today I decided to make chicken egg rolls. And if you would like to see how I make my chicken egg rolls, come on, tara, samahan niyo ako magluto. So, alright loves, here's our ingredients. We do have a ground chicken here that is almost 1 pound, and we'll be using this egg roll wrapper. So I'm gonna be using the Twin Dragon. I'm looking for the smallest size of this, but unfortunately the Asian store that we went a few days ago, they don't have it available. And we need also a minced garlic. It's right here. We need soy sauce. That is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, all-purpose flour. Not cornstarch, all-purpose flour. And also we need ground pepper here. This is half a teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. We also have 1 beaten eggs, carrots, shredded carrots, that's half a cup, and onion as well, 1/2 cup of onion. I use the sweet onion, whatever your preference, it's fine as well. And so I use, by the way, I think 6-7 cloves of garlic. I like when it's a lot. So that means if you are making like twice as much of this you know, ground pork, ground beef, or ground chicken, you can just double up all the seasoning. So all we have to do is mix them all together. So we're going to combine them all together. We have here the minced garlic, and just put the shredded carrots. Some people love to use a lot of you know, vegetable, mga loves. They put, sometimes I put spring onions, and that's also optional. They put celery, they put cabbage and stuff like that. But for my egg rolls, I just want this plain like this. When I make spring rolls, that's with a lot of veggies like the sprout and cabbage and stuff like that. So this one is the minced garlic. I mean a minced onion. I'm sorry. So sometimes if you want to make it convenient and really fast for your cooking, you can use the powder onion and garlic powder as well, but I tried it before, but it's not as good as the fresh one. So we have the 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper, and this 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I use dark soy sauce. So let's just mix them all. By the way, I'm forgetting something, loves. We have to put oyster sauce. The oyster sauce, you can use like, let's see, 2 teaspoons should be good enough. That's how come while I'm preparing the ingredients to share it to you, I said to myself, parang may nakalimutan ako, and I'm forgetting something. It's the oyster sauce. This is not gonna be complete without oyster sauce. Whether I use beef, pork, and chicken, it's silly of me why today I forgot about it. So it's just in the fridge that I need to, you know, have to catch my attention in my eye. And also we have to have this 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, and just mix it. You can use your hand as well if you want to mix them all together. Make sure everything is incorporated. And also I want to share to you that if I'm doing or I'm making egg rolls, That's what I mentioned a while ago. I love to use the ground beef. I use minced red bell pepper, by the way, with that, mga loves. So this one is 1 beaten egg. I'm not using it right away. Most of the time I only use half of it, but I beat 1 eggs. But if you make 2 pounds of ground pork, ground chicken, or ground beef, of course the 1 beaten egg, you can use them all up. Yep. This is what happened. This is supposed to be exactly 1 pound, but I took some of the amount last night because I made bitter melon ampalaya, and I said that I'm just gonna make ampalaya with eggs, and you know how you saute the ampalaya, and I said to myself, you know what, let me try to use meat. I mean, it's good with pork, but chicken or beef, it's good as well. Let me try to focus that right there. You see? So you can try to freeze this for like 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour before you wrap it up. Alright loves, I'm gonna wrap this with a cling wrap and let it sit for 30 minutes in the fridge before we wrap this, and I'm gonna show you how I do my wrapping method as well. Alright loves, 30 minutes is up and we are going to wrap our egg rolls now. So the way I do my wrapping method, I use what is it called, the egg white. You can also use water if you want, but I found the egg white stick more together. So here it is. We have to do this a little faster, otherwise it's gonna get dry. So I'm gonna just scoop in here, put it here in the edge, like you go a like this shape. What is that shape? Like a diamond shape. So you push it in, tuck it up like that, and roll, and fold it like that here, and you put a little egg white, and then the other side as well, and then you push it tightly, tuck it up, and then put the egg white in there. Make sure your hand is clean. Alright, like that. So here it is. It looks nice. Not as big, not as small. So pretty much I'm the only one gonna be eating our egg rolls. Alright mga loves, so here's our chicken egg rolls, and I made 6 pieces right now. The rest of it I just put it in the Ziploc and put it in the freezer, and I'll just make them whenever I want to make it. Just feel lazy to wrap them all up. So here's the technique, guys. So I have here the cooking pan with the oil preheated already, pretty much like 300 or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And to get your egg rolls extra crunchy, before it get really hot, I drop a little vinegar in it, and you have to cover it while waiting the oil to get, you know, in the temperature that you want, otherwise it's gonna be splashing. So let's see. So we are going to drop just 3 pieces at a time. You don't want your lumpia get you know, suffocate. You want it to have more space. That's what I wanted to explain. So here it is. We have to wait at least between, let's see, like 4 to 5 minutes each side. You want the color to be a golden brown to make sure that the mixture is cooked well. So this is our second batch of loves. I think the second batch is a little overcooked. By the way, the egg rolls wrapper that I bought this time, it's not the one that I normally use. This is the thicker one, which you use for the spring rolls. You know how you put a lot of veggies inside aside from the meat. So pretty much the one that I make, it's more of meat. So yep, it's like 4 minutes each side. And here it is. And tara, tikman na natin. Alright loves, tikman na natin. Here it is. Let's see the inside, okay? Yep, it's crunchy. Here it is. Yum. Mga unta, mga loves. Okay, I'm gonna finish this meal off the camera. I hope you guys learn or you like from this video today, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you will be notified on my next video. Thank you so much, and you have a good day. Bye now.